Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do this makeup look for you guys, and I just want to apologize for my voice. I have a sinus infection. I'm just trying to get over it, so that's why my voice is different. But let's jump right into this tutorial. First, I'm applying some Hydro Blur Primer by Dermalogica all over my face as my face primer. Next, I'm applying the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation. I love this foundation. It's my favorite drugstore foundation at the moment. It reminds me so much of the Naked Skin by Urban Decay, and it's like seriously matte and it's just beautiful. Next, I'm going to apply Catrice Cosmetics concealer. This is like a concealer stick, and I don't like to use it by itself. I like to use it with another concealer. So I like to have that cream base, and then I apply the LA Girl Cosmetics concealer. This is their Pro Concealer. You guys know I love their concealers. I love all their products, and I'm just going to highlight with this. And using that same concealer stick, on the other end of it there's a contour color on it, so I'm just going to use that as my contour. And because that is a cream, I'm going to use a brush to blend it at first, because it's just going to help spread the product and just help blend it more easily. And this is the Tarte and Nicole Concealio brush. I think this was just for their collab. I don't know if these brushes are still sold, but anyway, I'm going to use the beauty blender just to help blend everything else out to make it more seamless. And then I'm going to set the concealer with powder. So I'm going to concentrate most of that powder in the center of my face, so of course put it under the eyes to prevent creasing, and then set all the concealer, and then whatever left over on that sponge, I'm just going to set the rest of my face. Next, I'm going to take some Hoola bronzer by Benefit and add that on top of the cream contour, and this is just going to give it a nice bronzy look. Next, for the eyes, I'm using the Catrice Cosmetics eye primer, and this is supposed to help intensify any eyeshadow that you put on top of it, which is why I'm going to try it out today. This is my first time trying it. And after I blend it in, I'm going to set it with some powder, because you want to be able to move the brush nice and smoothly without it like getting bunched up on the skin. So here's the beautiful Morphe brushes eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to show you some swatches first, and those were just swatches. Look how pretty they look. And then I'm going to put this on my hand, so you can see the swatches are really pigmented, and I love how smooth the eyeshadows are. So I'm going to take this first color here and use that as a transition color, and that's just basically the color that you want to use so that all the other colors blend more seamlessly, and you want to work from light to dark color. So now I'm going to take this darker color. It has a more of an orangey undertone to it, and as you can see, I'm holding my brush in a way where it's blending. I learned that tip from Crispy. If you hold the brush downwards, it'll help blend it for you. Next, I'm taking a darker color and concentrating that on the outer corner of the eye, and I'm using Makeup Addiction Cosmetics brushes. Those are my favorite brushes, those and Morphe brushes. And as you can see, I'm taking some of that lighter eyeshadow and blending that darker one, because it kind of got like a harsh line. I was trying to blend it, so I'm going to take that dark brown and put that on the outer corner. Next, I'm taking this pretty gold bronzy eyeshadow and using that as my lid color and putting that on the lid. And then I wanted to go back in with another color because the eyeshadows were so pretty. I didn't want to use just one. So I went in with this yellowish gold color and put that on top. But I concentrated it just like on the middle of the eye. Next, for the lower lash line, I'm going to apply all the eyeshadows that I used in the crease. Then I'm going to apply some mascara. And then I'm going to dot the lower lash line to help the lashes look more fuller. And I'm going to take this Artist Couture illuminating cream or illuminating pigment, and it's just going to give it that nice shimmery highlight. I wet the brush, which is why it's so shiny right now. And for the false lashes, I'm using these new Iris Beauty eyelashes in Athena. And lastly, for the lips, I'm applying this Balm Cosmetics liquid lipstick. I forgot what it's called, but I'll leave all products in the description box. And after that, the look is complete. I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.